Every tow operator needs a variety of shackles on hand. Having an advantageous way of storing them is key to saving time at the recovery scene. This video covers 2 different approaches from Miller Industries. This kit includes 5 shackle hangers. It's a hook-style design for the inside of your toolbox cabinet. This method offers some flexibility with placement because you can adjust the location as needed. This bolt-on shackle hanger must be affixed to a flat surface for a more permanent solution. Also a kit of 5, these shackle hangers have dimensions of 7.5 inches long by 5 inches high by 4 inches wide. Each of these styles can accommodate shackles that are small, medium, and large. Install a set of shackle hangers from Miller Industries to keep your equipment organized. Shop toolboxes and storage on zips.com today.